are both setting records. The Manor House is full of people. They're all working out because it's so cold, I guess. Not too many kids out anymore. They're all inside drinking their cocoa now, I think.
You want to see me do one?
I do.
Hey,
There you go. Let T go. Take your turn. Alright, let's see this run. Wow. Good one.